Anyone else have this happen? I posted this on my Instagram story a couple weeks ago, and actually a lot of you guys have mentioned things to me of what this can be. I actually have a tow truck, some GM service tow truck, whatever, on its way right now to take it to the nearest dealership. So I just want to bring you guys along for the update and let you guys know what's happening to my truck. So probably about 2 or 3 months ago, my truck has been not starting every once in a while when I turn the key. I originally thought maybe the battery was dying, but every time I read the battery with a multimeter, it was always around 14 amps. And I could put jumper cables on the truck and it still would not start. So as you've seen in that little opening clip, my battery was at like 12 volts or amps or whatever it is. But that's because I've been trying to start it for about a week, so the battery's finally starting to wean down. But eventually, after I turned the key about 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 times, whatever, the truck would finally start. Then it wouldn't happen for a couple of days, and then the next thing you know, I'm trying to start my truck and it wouldn't start again. So, you know, do it another 10 times, it finally started. Then it got to a point where it wouldn't start unless I put the truck in neutral and drifted out of my driveway or out of some parking spot before it would finally start. And originally I thought it had something to do with the wiring that I did with the Boost Auto Parts switchback mirror lights on my tow mirrors. I thought maybe the wiring, there's something wrong with it. It was grounded wrong, something. But I took the mirrors off and sold them to a subscriber. Thank you guys. I hope you are enjoying those mirrors. It wasn't the problem, by the way. And now my truck is still doing it. Now it's at a point now where it won't start at all. Like I said, I've been trying to start it for about a week, push it up my driveway, back my driveway, will not start. It's a clicking. The battery's fine. It won't, you can't jump start it or nothing. A lot of you guys on my Instagram are saying there's a common problem with these trucks with the starters themselves, getting some corrosion up underneath of them, having a bad ground, or just the starter sucks itself. So I was actually going to pull the starter off myself and maybe replace it, have it tested, but to be completely honest, I'm not trying to be lazy. I could do the work, but this truck only has 28,000 miles on it. It's only 2 years old. It should be covered under warranty. So, and a lot of you guys in Instagram messages said it was completely covered by warranty. So I figured, what the heck, might as well call them to come pick the truck up, take it in and let them evaluate it and make sure it's, and hope it's covered by warranty. So I'll let you guys know.
You got a lift on it?
Yeah. Alright guys, there she goes on the flatbed. Barely fits on there. I don't know how a crew cab long bed would fit. I really don't think it would at all. Off to the dealership.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, good news. Got the truck back. And it does start. All right, got the truck back, it runs. I actually got the truck back the very next day, believe it or not. We dropped that truck off at nighttime, as you saw. About 8 o'clock the very next morning, I called to let them know it was there and, you know, what was kind of going on. They called me back about 2 o'clock the next day and said, hey, your truck starts if you want to come get it. It was the starter. We pulled the starter off of the truck, hooked it up to some electric, and it was completely just frozen. So they told me it's a very, very common problem with these 5th gen Chevy Silverado 1500s, and that they're currently on back order for like the entire United States, and what dealerships have in stock, that is it. And so the dealership I took my truck to didn't have one. They found one in the Tri-County area and had to go get it. Yeah, thankfully all covered by warranty, 100%. The tow, everything. Like the tow truck driver was awesome, the service people were awesome. Like, I'm very surprised because I'm always skeptical about taking vehicles to dealerships, and everything went very smoothly. I'm very happy with that. All right, no cost. I owe them $0. Starter replacement. So that's really it. Just wanted to document this, give it up for you guys in case anyone has a similar situation. Truck wouldn't start, only 28,000 miles. Dealership replaced the starter for free, which was awesome. Everything under warranty, and I don't know. That's honestly it. So all I got for you guys. Obviously, like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe, join the family, join the builds, and I'm going to see you guys next video. Peace.